Today, I'm teaching you how to avoid police in Waze. You can help you stay informed about police reports and other incidents along your route, so you can drive more carefully and make informed decisions while navigating. First, open the Waze app on your phone and start a route to your destination. While driving, Waze may display police reports on the map when they have been reported by other users. If you see a police icon or receive an alert, slow down and follow the posted speed limit and traffic laws. You can also check the map ahead for reported incidents and choose another route if you want to avoid delays or heavy traffic. Remember that police reports can change, and Waze information may not always be completely up to date. Always focus on driving safely and follow all local laws. And that's how to use Waze to stay informed about police reports. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.